If you want to set yourself up for success for this upcoming season, set all your questions out on the table. We invite you to the Ag Drone Consortium meeting here this month. What you can expect from this event is a beginning with the discussion about swath width and how that matters. We'll move on to the disease pressure that we faced last year and what we think we might face for this next year. We'll then talk about the whole idea of chemicals and fungicide and whatnot that would be used to combat that disease pressure. And we'll end with a group of panelists that are going to have the subject matter expertise to really kind of put all the settings and swath width and chemical application discussion that we've had to the test and come back out with some recommendations for you. Take the time to click the link below, register, and get your seat at the table to have this discussion and be a part of changing our ag drone community.